Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to analyze video performance with Pictory AI Insights. So here is a step-by-step guide to show you that how to analyze your video performance with Insights. So simply you will just log into your Pictory.ai and you will just upload your video, import your video into Pictory AI for analysis, ensure the video aligns with your goals, engagement, retention or conversions. So you will just review engagement metrics. This is the analyzing all of it. You will see this is the like this part which is duration is 3.0 seconds, and if I just select the second scene, so this is duration is 1.1 second. So basically if you want to change your video aspect ratio from here, so you will just select the landscape and you will just choose it from here into Instagram post if you upload it, and you will also convert it in portrait mode which is 9 by 16 TikTok for uses or reels or YouTube shorts. And you will just also add a layers from it, and you will just also add upload your own voice right over here, and you will just change the voiceover from here. Just tap on it easily, and in the left side you will see the visuals. You will also just search, simply type about your category niche, so it will find it for the templates from here, and you will just tap on it audio. You will just also change the voiceovers right over here, and you will also just tap on its style. There are many options like text, branding, elements, and formats. So there are many options to analyze your video performance and picture with AI Insights. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.